held on the 1st of August at the Forum in Bryanston. ITWeb's Artificial Intelligence Conference helped attendees to identify where to start with their AI initiatives by providing an impressive lineup of speakers willing to share their stories on how best to benefit from this groundbreaking technology.
Very exciting to be here. What it is about, I think, first of all, before the artificial, is about humans meeting and talking about how AI can be taken forward, especially for South Africa, and how we can compete with the rest of the world. So we're going to try and make artificial intelligence practical, understandable for the layman, and then where we are as a country in comparison to the rest of the world.
You don't have to be as prepared or as clever as we used to have to be. Cloud-based technologies mean that we can make 100 mistakes in a week when building a model, and it doesn't mean that we're going to break the bank when we use them. So asking questions and being 100% perfect in our model before we test it isn't as costly as it used to be. People need to understand that if they've got enough data, they're probably only 1 or 2 weeks away from asking their very first question or building their very first model.
Competitive advantage when it comes to AI is about a business doing something that other businesses are not quite doing. And the best place you can find that as a business is in your context.
So we've got the evolution from CPUs to GPUs to TensorFlow processing units now, and they're all managed services, and you can use them when you want and switch them off when you don't need them. And I think that kind of empowers and is a game changer in the way that we can start asking questions when we want to start training and building out these models in machine learning or artificial intelligence. The goal of today's event for us is to put forward a very practical way of consuming the technologies that can build out machine learning and artificial intelligence.
I think the game changer when it comes to emerging technologies is how exponential they are. We are at that point where IoT is becoming ubiquitous. We cover 85% of the population, and that now puts down the perfect backdrop for AI to thrive.